what we saw on social media is not something that we must attempt to explain away. It's not something that we must seek to rationalize. It is something that is just plain wrong, wrong, wrong. And it does not represent the value of the vast majority, if not all of you, sitting in this auditorium. And therefore we have a duty to you in dealing with it. To be firm, but fair. To be transparent, but decisive. We have to send a signal to the rest of the society that what they saw does not equal justice. And we can only do that in terms of how we respond to it. I'm not a social scientist. I know we have behavioral problems, not just among our young people, throughout the entire population. And I know that there has to be an appropriate response in dealing with behavioral abnormalities. But Jamaica College is not a reform school. Jamaica College is not a place where we are to remediate and reconfigure people's personality. If we ever start doing that, we are going to hold you back. You who have come here, some of you have great sacrifice to your parents and want to get ahead and pursue your career. We can't afford to slow down that train to be able to spend time fixing what we didn't spoil in the first. And therefore I urge the school authorities. It takes a long time to build a reputation. It has taken a lot of hard work on the part of the staff, the coaches, and the students themselves to win Manitoba and to win champs and to win the TVJ quiz. And in addition to that, something I didn't mention, the significant performance improvement that has taken place in academic performance at JC. To the point now where when kids are sitting, whatever you call that exam that take you into high school, a vast number, that is not the majority of them, are listing JC as their first choice. We can't afford to mess with that. We can't afford to allow that to just be snapped out of our hands because of the behavior of one or two. So there's a redemption that has to take place. The image of Jamaica College. And that can only come about if the society sees that we don't tolerate the alternative up here. That kind of behavior does not define the JC school community. And that we have taken effective action, not just to deal with those incidents, but to send a clear signal to others that if you ever think of behaving like that, just understand what the consequences are going to be. I'm troubled. I hope that we find a way to redeem and repair the image that we have and the damage that has been done.